Next step here, you're gonna wanna go ahead and get a 17 millimeter with a little extension. You're gonna have to take the side cover off. Okay, and you're gonna come up over here and loosen it. So there's this little other piece in the back. It's gonna spin on you for a little bit, but then it'll catch, and you want to go ahead and start removing that one there. Make sure you don't drop this back piece when you're taking it off, because sometimes it's hard to get to, so you're gonna have to use two hands. Let's see if I can do it. Probably can't. Maybe. Ready? Come over here. That's one. Come up top, grab the other one. Don't drop it.